Patulong ako dito kasi napapaliw na yan eh. Ano, napapaliw na yan.
But them niggas don't know me, yeah, it's not a place I'm from. I got lots of shorties tryna pull up to my place. You ain't want me last year, so just get up on my face. They all up in my inbox, so I know they wanna chase. I know they want my downfall, a nigga, are you leave?
I love that. I don't want to show I go where, I go what you want. This is my house. This is my house. Oh, this is my house. Ito yung bahay nila. Ayan. Ayan yung bahay nila. Impress ko sa Bye.